Yeah, but why are you upset? Because she said my friend is gonna fancy you, and she didn't fancy you.
Yeah. She said you didn't even pinch my butt. You didn't do nothing. Like,
why is she looking for a girlfriend or something?
Something like that.
Isn't she married to that tall dude? Good morning. Are we doing a vlog today? Are we doing a little vloggy today? I don't know. Maybe we are. I don't know. But we're actually heading over to Bowie. Is it Bowie now? No, it's Marlboro now. We're going to Marlboro to get my hair done. Joy says, come up there. So I'm going up there. Now, it is literally an hour and 35 minutes for me to get to where I'm gonna get my hair done. But you know, I will drive the time it takes for me to get there, because the last time that I got my weave done that was not by Joy, I ended up with 2 bald spots right here, like at my crown, 2 bald spots, and it really traumatized me. Whenever I did it, it was very painful. I also ended up having to get my hair tightened. Oh, hold on. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. It took me so long. I ended up having to go to Joy and let her know what happened, and she suggested that we do the flip-over to give my crown a break, and that was the flip-over that you guys saw. So like since then, I've just been afraid to do it here like I used to. So I would literally drive so she can make sure that my scalp is healthy, and you know, and all that. So we're going to Bowie. We're gonna go. Actually, we're not going. We're going to Marlboro now. We're gonna go get our hair done. Now, because I have to drive myself, it's a problem. But usually my husband is the one that drives me. Okay, so I don't know. Joy, I don't know if I'll be constantly coming unless Atlas is here to drive me. I don't know. But yeah, let's go get our hair done. How do you like my makeup? It was like a little quick 15-minute makeup with no foundation, because I just want my skin to be able to do its thing. Plus I put Vaseline on, so I'm trying to limit all of that. Yes.
You do? Okay, that's lucky for you.
Oh my God, look at my hair. Say hi.
I don't even think that Karen is participating in the show.
I want to dance with somebody. I want to do that.
Yes!
Joy is so happy. Look at her. Did you tangle my hair? Was this the only place that you built out, or? Huh? Oh. White.
Your face was open and
How long have you been? I mean, I guess whenever you said you were moving, right? Whenever you said you were moving, that was when you guys moved in?
we moved in.
Okay.
Was it?
You don't think it was like insurance?
Huh?
You don't think it was insurance fraud?
I feel like it's some type of like miss something. Like something's missing somewhere. Something is missing.
Why did I leave that stupid tripod?
You can use this one for.
No, I want you to use it. I was trying to get like 2 different perspectives of it.
Grace from Arbutus, Maryland.
Proof that detangling, a good detangle would do it every time.
Hey, you're not recording.
You said what?
You're not recording. Yee! I did that. I did that. Of course, my daughter comes in. She's like, "What are you doing?"
What are you doing? What are you doing?
If it's not there, let's not force it, right? But she knows.
What she
Yeah, when she went from
yeah, it's nothing.
the highlighting. She likes the highlighting there. If it's a
That was
business.
2 years ago, baby. 2.
Oh wow.
Not 1, but 2.
Why did they get a divorce?
Oh, the older people?
The pastor's wife.
He is not pastor material. He is definitely.
I'm making sure I have the right
not the
angle.
type of pastor that we would want.
It's good.
That is good.
Oh, she's leaving.
Huh?
She's leaving.
Red
And then they all started talking about her.
Mhm.
She's back.
Oh, she said that. She said that.
She looked like Smurf.
With all the baby daddies around her.
But I don't think she's a blatant liar.
I said, I'm a first figure. Wow. Something caught your attention. You FaceTime with TJ. I did. And he told you what? He told me why he wasn't here. Okay, why? He said he wasn't invited. He said that.
Don't make hurt faces because it's gonna like it hurt.
I mean, no, because that time it was really hurting when I did the braids. Oh my god!
Because you were like, oh, I was like,
that was
I can feel it through the screen, bro.
Yeah, because
look at my baby.
But in this instance, this is not true.
Because his dad is like, it could be a migraine.
I invite him to come and say it to my face.
Does he get migraines?
I'm not calling her. No.
Hairstyle.
Characters in question. Okay, well that's you.
We are going to leave it.
Uber? No, it was in the, what's it called?
Surely they made a mistake.
She was
In
driving.
the police car.
Not connecting for me.
The police.
I felt for the impact, according to Dave's testimony. So when I hit the tree,
No, she said she really upped her dose of antidepressants.
But how about the beers in the car?
The deer?
On the train coming up here.
Yes.
The jury's still out.
Stacey, you had a great first season. It ended.
Okay, they're back.
No, oh, wait, let me get the chance.
Ooh, Jesus Christ. I promise you, I'm
You
like,
in this year.
it's not me. It's not me.
Yeah, this should be.
That should be burned.
Xavier.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time.
Of course, this website is not the cheapest by any means necessary.
What, you're the one that you...
So, yeah, I guess it depends on... The thing is on.
What? The dryer?
Yeah.
I know.
Why? Are you cold?
You just said it like
I
that.
said it like that.
Oh.
Can you see?
I'm so confused.
Am I in the
Yeah.
position?
I'm confused. I want to tell y'all that if she said that, and so I believed her. She's my friend. You know, I'm going to believe her before anybody else. I don't even think about using words like that with my friend. She knows what happened with her. And it's so crazy that was the phrase that she used. I'm just gonna...
It got really messy.
No, I know why my sister's like, I'm not going to a club, man.
He's gonna fancy you. Nothing. Well, not a bum pinch, not a...
Not a bum pinch. She's stupid.
Yeah, but why are you upset? Because she said my friend is going to fancy you and she didn't fancy you.
Yeah. She said you didn't even pinch my butt. You didn't do nothing. Like,
Why, is she looking for a girlfriend or something?
something like that.
Isn't she married to that tall dude?
Yes, honey.
Good to see you, ladies. Oh my God.
It's so good. What do you mean?
Who's Jesse? It doesn't make her look as
Made up as everybody
Yes.
else. Yeah.
yeah. Papansa. Taking me away from my little drama.
I was trying to cut you.
Jesus.
Oh,
I'm done. I am done. I am not looking at the drama anymore. I just look at it like this.
like the show.
That's called living.
I'm done.
Sending in the cleaning crew. No, they're coming. International Jersey, where are you? Did they put you in the plane?
They're making fun of the girls that were sitting in the corner.
Are they?
Wow.
Very classic.
I will show you how she's cutting the back on the thing because I can't get a video of it.
I'm here if you want to lean into the fun. I know I told y'all bring the slutty costumes and all that, but that's really because it is a bachelorette party for Jazz.
I'm trying to see who Jasmine was because
I don't think you really know who Jasmine is.
that's what I'm saying. That's why I had to see who Jasmine was, you know?
Yeah, thank you so much. How long is the drive? 15.
The way you are cutting all this hair, it's just like hitting me in my chest.
Why is it in your chest? Why is it in?
Oh, you don't think they can go to Nantucket?
No.
Why not?
Not like flying, trying to chase somebody from flying first class to Nantucket. Turning their hair to see the drama.
I'm trying to see where they went or where they're going or what they're doing or, you know. She cut all my hair.
It's all gone.
This side is shorter.
I was trying to cut it, but somebody wouldn't stay still. You see? You see? You see? I'm in my person up here. Don't worry. Wendy will be the one to cut it for you.
You're the one now living in another state, okay? It took me 30 minutes.
It did not take that much time. It wasn't really that far, though. It wasn't that far.
I told you I thought it wasn't far, but...
No, I mean like from your house. It's about the same distance, right?
It was, I don't know. I think I've driven to see you once by myself. They all take their stylist with them.
A lot of them take their beauty squad with them.
I already started
Did you?
I already started a transition at home.
Yes, God.
Yeah, what is going on? That's what I'm saying.
No, she's new, so she don't know nothing about what.
No, because they're saying, weren't you a side chick?
Huh?
Okay, so we're taking a time out. Relationships with other people that may not.
Why are these people at her bachelorette party and they're not friends with her like that?
Well, they're throwing her one.
But they're not her friends like that.
No, but they're her coworkers. So she gotta get it together.
No, but she's not part of... That's her friend.
Yeah.
But
she is a friend of theirs. Like, she's a friend of...
Joy's not showing me how to curl this hair. If I can't do it, I'm coming back here. 2 hours.
You said 2 hours.
Takes me 10 minutes. Oh, that's not nice.
After that boat ride. Girl. Honestly, I'm just, I feel totally.
Where'd she get that outfit from?
Yeah, brand. Have a great time.
Google's being messy.
I can't get into it. Yeah, we're about to get ready for dinner. Yesterday. I gotta get to pumping. Okay, yeah. We gotta have a good time. And whoever doesn't have a good time, shouldn't be just.
It is a dress.
Oh.
Yes, honey.
That's not very nice. What happened? You upset.
What if it doesn't fit me like it fits her?
Nathaniel is the most needy out of all of my children. And the poor boy, he's the only boy in the house. If somebody adopts you, what
When
happens?
they went to the horses,
I would be
the horses.
You had that yourself?
Go for it. But
If you want to.
let's see what Google can do for me.
Right to it. I'm sorry, catch up the day.
Now with the black octopus.
As long as you don't start eating raw fish, then I'm on board.
I need to tell
But as soon as you stop talking about it.
I'm buying this dress, right? And I'll buy a collar.
No, it's sparkly. That's a sequin fabric.
But we're trying to recreate the look.
Yeah, I know, but it's not going to give the same look as that.
if that makes sense,
It
right?
looks more like a Swedish type fabric.
Yeah, it actually is. I feel like Giselle needs to be careful
With what?
with the guys that are trying to.
You know she loves a man with design. Yes. Very intellectual.
Oh, great. Now you're making fun of her because of her ex.
And they still date my boyfriend, and he's going to be my fiance, and he's going to be
We're going to get married.
What? 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 What are you saying? Like, what are you really?
She forced me to do that.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
She's not going to stop. Watch this. She's going to be in my hair for like 5 hours.
Mind you, I have to go pick up my child. He's sleeping. He's not feeling too great. So what I did is I did not press your roots.
Close to somebody. He played on the former Redskins team.
Is that someone's ex?
That's right.
A great father. We have a lot of friends in common, and that's what it is.
I love it. It's really cool. It's gonna fall.
This is the thing,
isn't it? Huh?
We have a lot of friends in common, and that's what it is.
It does look like my natural hair.
It is. I got this inspiration because of when you
When I did my hair.
Yes, exactly. And like we can do this, but just a little bit more fuller and a little bit more tenderism. Oh, yeah, activate it.
Oh, that video. I'll do a transition where when the beat.
No, it looks so good. It looks really good. Middle part, side part. This is kind of giving like rich wine.
Put me on the show. Put me on the show.
Is this giving Potomac? Especially with this waffle? What?
I'm not thinking about you, Joe.
No,
They use them try to talk.